Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can book tickets from Skyscanner. In order to book tickets from Skyscanner, first of all, open up your application and log into your Skyscanner account. Once you're logged into your Skyscanner account, it's going to take you to this page. So here you'll be able to see multiple different options and features that you can actually book a ticket for. So if you want to book a ticket for flights, go ahead and tap on the flights button. Next page, it's going to ask you to select the type of trip that you're actually doing. Underneath, you need to select the departure, and once done selecting the departure, you also need to select the destination. And after that, you need to select the date accordingly, type of number of passenger that's coming with you, and select the class accordingly. Click on the search button right at the bottom. It's going to show you a number of flights that's actually available on this particular date. So you can also categorize it by best, cheapest, fastest, direct, whatever sort of. Select the date accordingly. You'll be asked to select the provider, and from here you can either select the provider that's maybe trip.com, maybe make my trip, and all that. Select it accordingly, and after that tap on the select button. Next page, once again, it's going to ask you to select the date or the book accordingly. So right on this page, it's basically going to confirm your booking, and after you're done with that, you'll be asked to provide in your details such as your contact information, your luggage information, and all that. So next page, you'll need to provide in your card details. After you're done adding the card details, you have successfully made a payment, and you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've successfully booked a flight, and that's going to be needed in make sure to keep that safely. And that's how you can book a flight ticket from Skyscanner. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.